Hello everyone, my name is Renan, and in this video we're going to check out how we share a call log with the support team or anyone who needs to access this log to do some checking. So to accomplish this, it is just a matter of a few clicks within the Voximplant Kit. Let us navigate to the history section, locate the specific call that we need to share this log, access the three dots located here on the right hand side, and select the second option, which is to copy the log link. So, regardless of the language you have configured, it will be this second option within these three dots here in the specific call that we need to share the log. So the outcome will be a URL of this format, and we must forward this URL to our support team for the required analysis. That concludes our task. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.